Hi, I'm Miss O'Brien and I'm the acting principal of Sculleafa, and I'm thrilled with the support that we are getting from the school community to raise money for the building and installing of a sensory playground in our Magic Garden yard. It has been wonderful to see the fundraising that has been done by Mark, Alfie, Lennon and Zane. We want to say a big thank you to everyone who's contributed so far and wish our 4 fundraisers the best luck in their challenges.
Hi, I'm Miss Cahalane and I teach the children in the Hazel Room in the Magic Garden. The boys and girls here have fantastic resources inside the Magic Garden. We have a gross motor area, a sensory room, a swing and a ball pit. We are now hoping to build an equally well-resourced area in the yard for them too.
Hi, I'm Miss Williams and I teach the children in the Willow Room in the Magic Garden. The children that are part of our Magic Garden classes at the moment are amazing. They're clever, they're kind and they're funny. They find yards without any stimulus very difficult and it can make it a stressful time for the children, teachers and SNAs. Having playground equipment will make a huge difference and be a great benefit for the children.